The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Davidson County in central North Carolina, western Randolph County in central North Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles west of Lexington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lexington, Conrad Hill, Midway, Arcadia, Trinity, Ashboro, and Union. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson and Randolph.